Agar agar is a natural vegetable gelling agent used to make super refreshing and delicious desserts throughout Asia. Hi, I'm Sabina. I'm going to show you 4 different recipes using agar agar. You can either use it to make this jelly-like vegan-friendly dessert or as a stabilizer for a variety of cream-based dessert, playing with the amount of agar agar you use in each recipe. As a Tamil Muslim, I grew up eating agar agar for Ramadan and Eid. But I was very surprised to see that it didn't resonate as much with other people from other parts of India. So I wanted to find out why Tamil Muslims in particular are so fond of this agar agar. So while you watch these recipes, let me tell you what I found. Imagine yourself in the 19th century on the Coromandel coast of India. The connections between South India and other countries in the Bay of Bengal were constant at that time. It allowed many Tamil traders, Muslim and Hindus, and workers to visit Malaysia and Singapore for work. While some of them would settle in those countries, they were keeping strong links with South India with frequent visits. In the meantime, the trade in Malaysia was going very well for agar agar. Malaysia was a big exporter of it to China mainly in the 19th century. So we can imagine that Tamil migrants would have brought back agar agar to India along with the culinary practices of making the dessert. Annoyingly though, I couldn't find any written recipes of that time. Most of it would have been oral transmissions anyway. One thing we can still observe today is that many of the Tamils enjoying this dessert over generations have strong links to Malaysia and Singapore. They would have had a family member who would have migrated at some point and they would visit them bringing agar agar as a gift. I am speaking of personal experience here. And because it arrived to us as a gift, we valued it even more. It was something rare and exotic from an idealized foreign place. So, of course, we would keep it for special occasions such as Eid or Ramadan. Another thing you should know about agar agar is that it always had an image of healthy food. It is high in fiber and doesn't contain any fat or sugar until you add them to it. So naturally, it offers a range of possibilities to the creative minds. I am making 4 different recipes here to show you that the combination of a certain type of liquid with a certain amount of agar gives different results. But growing up, my grandma kept it fairly simple. It was agar agar boiled with sugar and water and sometimes coconut milk. She would just pour it on a tray, let it set, cut up and serve. The main reasons for making it during Ramadan in my house was that it was so refreshing and light and it was a unique halal food. It also keeps you fuller for longer and that's an added bonus when you fast. So whether you want to keep it simple or make it elaborate, give this a try. If you are a creative person, you will definitely have fun making this. If you want to buy agar agar, I would certainly recommend you visit your local Chinese or Asian grocery store. And why not bringing it as a gift to someone who's never tried it before? Agar agar isn't the only food that keeps us connected to our migrational heritage, and I'll be exploring a lot more in the coming videos, so be sure to subscribe.